Hello everyone, this is the Awesome Ocelot Gaming here, and today we are going to be playing some Five Nights at Freddy's. So yeah, let's get to it. Alright, so continue fifth night. It's going to be down a lot because I don't like the jump scares, because they scare me. So if you can't hear me, I'm talking pretty low because Maddie's still asleep. And Heather says I have to, so because Maddie's still asleep. She's probably gonna hear me and wake up any second though. Oh my god, what? Okay, that's not good. Chica's out and Bonnie's out. Now, if you don't know what Five Nights at Freddy's is, this is basically it. It's basically like a strategy game. I try to make up strategies. Pretty cool. And there's these animatronics that you saw on the stage trying to kill you. And by God, I gotta check Foxy to kill. And yeah, you have to survive 6 nights before you can actually like make kind of, I don't know how to explain it, but I just call it your own night. So like you get to make it as hard or as easy as you want. Pretty cool. And see, Bonnie's right outside my door. So there's Bonnie, Freddy, Chica, and Foxy. Shoot, scared myself. He's in the corner. Freddy's in the corner. I'm gonna have to use up a lot of power. Which isn't good. Because as you can see in this game, you have a limited amount of power. So, okay, Freddy's good. That's gonna be my strat. Okay, that's not Freddy anymore, and I'm dead. Dang, didn't work. The heck was that? Alright, anyway, that's the end of this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like and a comment. And if you're new to my channel, definitely subscribe. And yeah, so that's all for this time. So stay awesome. Peace.